Hello everyone, this is Anam. Today we will discuss about Linux command line basics. So this is day 3. Well, let's see what we learn. Okay, today we'll learn isolate a relative path and post and pop alternative of CD, and then we will learn working with the files, create a file and how to update this file and how to insert the data in this file. Okay, and then we learn more or less to use uh, to see the file data, and then a less long list exploring a directory. That's all. Okay, let's go to the terminal to see the practically. Okay, uh, first we learn what is the absolute path. I'm going to show you practically alles. Okay, and now I'm saying present directory on Ubuntu. This is the present directory. Well, CD, I'm going navigating the directory Facebook, and then slash sorry, we can go this way. CD home, Ubuntu, then Facebook, and then user, and then John. Okay, this Facebook directory under the user directory, and then under the John directory of user. Okay, I'm going to this directory using absolute path, enter. Now I'm saying John directory, working directory. Yeah, this is our absolute path. Okay, now I'm back to the Facebook directory. Oh, okay, cd and dot dot. Okay, I'm back one directory. No, okay, cd. Now I'm staying user directory, then cd, and again dot dot. That means it's back to the one directory to one step by one step. Okay, then cd. Now ls. Now we are staying Facebook directory. Then if you go into the user John directory, which is exists in this Facebook directory, then I can write a cd Facebook. Okay, sorry, cd user, and then John. Okay, this path is a relative path. That means we are not um, navigate from the home directory or root directory. We are navigate this directory from the uh, Facebook directory, and which is relative path, and then now we can move mm, from this relative path to another directory which is not exist here. We are going to Google directory. Okay, to tilde sign, and then slash Google. Okay, enter. Sorry, it's not working. Why is it available or not? Okay, tilde Google, so space Google, it should work, but Yes. This way we can move from the relative path to another directory. As we know, our Google directories exist in the root directory, so that's why our directory. That's why I'm here assign tilde sign and slash, and then Google directory name, and then now I'm stay Google directory. Okay, well, then uh, we already know what is relative path and what is absolute path. Okay, now we are going to learn post and pop. What is post? Post is alternative post. Okay, this alternative of CD. Okay, we can use post command instead of CD. Well, how we use it and why you use post. If you use post command, it can remember the directory path where you from or where you going. Okay, let's see the post command uses post pu ussd, then Facebook, and okay, enter. Now we are stay Facebook directory, and then again post, and then user. Okay, enter. We are staying to after two steps. Facebook user. First we log in, navigate into the Facebook directory, then it's now staying user directory, then again post, and then John. Okay, as you can see, base path is Facebook user John, and step first we log in or navigate into the Facebook, then user, and then first directory is Facebook. Okay, this is the way it can remember where you navigate and how to navigate. Okay, well, now we will learn put command, which is used for backward directory, back directory, which we used uh, previously cd command, but now we are going to use it c post port, sorry, port, then enter. Now we are staying user directory from the John directory. Okay, then we are pd again, enter. So now we are see Facebook directory. So in this way we can again write POVD, enter. Now we are showing tilde sign, that means we are now home directory. So if we use again POVD, it's showing error POVD directory stack empty, that means there is no directory to that it was remembered. So now we are staying home directory. So present environment, you can see present environment directories. Okay, today we learn for post, relative, and absolute path. Then now we are going to learn how to create a file. Okay, touch we are going to create this file to see the file data. Touch, then test file 1, okay, dot txt. Okay, let's see. Okay, it has been created. Test file 1, and if you want to see the file content, you have to write cat paste file. Okay, there is no data as we didn't import any files, data, any text or other things. So now we are going to import data into this group file, into this. Okay, and then in this case we have to write cat and greater than, then test file 1. Okay, enter. Here is a option to write something. Here you can write here. Okay, then test file 1, enter. Test uh, file 2, test file 3. Okay, then Ctrl D, done. Now we can see the file content cat, this file test file 1. Okay, this is the data which we write here before few seconds. Okay, so and this is the way. If you have no text file exists, you can create at a time and write or input data. Well, how it do? Okay, cat, and then double greater than, text, or single greater than, no problem. Test file 2 dot txt. Okay, here you can write something. Test file 2 testing and test file 2 testing. That's all. Okay, then Ctrl D again. Okay, Ctrl D. Then we can see the file which we didn't create before. Okay, but it's at a time created. And okay, here is the output. Okay, so we learned how to create a file, how to see file content. Okay, then we are going to learn more less command. Okay, in this case we are going to learn uh, we must create a file, okay, to see the test for test purpose. Okay, in this case here history, and then greater than, and history, okay, history test 1, and then enter. So I can see here history test 1, enter. As you can see, it's showing from last line. Okay, but you can see the first line. uh, so in this case how you can see. Okay, in this case we can learn, we can see this way more, and then history test first one, then enter. Okay, it's now showing from first line 1 2 3 sequentially, and it's showing 16%. You can press space bar, and it's showing block wise, and 32%, and space 46%. There is the percentage, and then 60% and 70%, 30%. Then the okay. Now we are going to see again enter, and if you want to see line by line, you can press enter, and you can see this is showing line by line. Okay, and then if you want to exit, you just press Q, and then you will exit. Control L, clear. Okay, then we can use here less command, LE double S, less, and enter. It also showing one signature from first line. In this case, you can press um, up arrow and right arrow, and I'm pressing down arrow, and it's showing line by line, and we can go reverse and forward. Okay, this is the way. And if you search a line which is 9 or 10, okay, I'm searching 10. Okay, 10 number line is showing, and in this case you can write here slash, and then 11 or 10, whatever you want. Okay, it's showing line by line. Okay, we'll learn less and more command. So press Q. Okay, control, and then uh, that's all today. Today we have learned a lot of things: absolute path, relative cat, and post swap, touch cat, and cat redirect to a file data, and then we learn more and less. Okay, that's all for today. We will learn a lot of things in this way. Thank you very much, everyone.